Hello everyone, I'm Chris Erkley and welcome to your Wednesday edition of the PE Crime Blotter. The 4 inland terror suspects who were taken into custody by the FBI last month were back in a federal courtroom Wednesday morning. They do now have a court date set for the beginning of their trial. I'm joined now by Press Enterprises' Rich Diatley. Rich, you were in that courtroom this morning. Kind of take us through what happened.
Well, there were two appearances by the defendants. The first was a superseding indictment arraignment in a magistrate judge's court, and that was the three who had previously been indicted had to re-enter their pleas of not guilty. And the fourth, Sohail Omar Kabir of Pomona, he entered his first-time plea of not guilty. This is because Kabir was indicted last week. The other three had previously been indicted. They're all rolled into one indictment now with a conspiracy to aid terrorists, and their case moves forward now with all 4 of them in court. Then on to Judge Virginia Phillips' courtroom. She is the judge that's going to be handling the trial. There was a discussion about the kind of discovery, the massive amounts of evidence that the 4 defendants' attorneys have to go through, and they set an August 6th trial date. They also discussed some security issues. They discussed the availability of how well they can review the material while their clients are in custody, and tried to work out some issues there.
Things seem to be moving at a pretty quick speed as far as progressing to the trial. How long of a trial could we be looking at here?
The U.S. attorney involved, assistant U.S. attorney involved, said 4 to 6 weeks. Judge Phillips made her own rough estimate of about 8 weeks. So lengthy trial, and both sides say it's a very complex case.
And with these charges that they're facing, what type of time would they potentially be looking at?
They could each, 3 of the defendants could get 15 years as a potential maximum. Federal prosecutors in papers filed with court have said Kabir, who they sort of have characterized as a ringleader, when combined with other things, could get a 30-year to life sentence out of this.
All right, Rich, thanks for joining us. That does it for your Wednesday edition of the PE Crime Blotter. Be sure to stay tuned right here on PE.com for the latest on this story.